Lights. Camera. Action.
Hi, my name is Steve Kumar Jawabwala, and today I am happy to announce our newest iPhone 12 S Max Pro Lite. This time in this smartphone, we have made major changes in our marketing strategy so that more and more people buy this shit and fall in our trap. So first time in iPhone history, we are introducing quad camera, in which one lens will be covered up and you have to pay $400 to uncover it. And I know that's cheap because we as an Apple, we believe in aggressive pricing. Just kidding, we don't believe. And yeah, so you have to pay $400 to uncover that lens. And we as an Apple, we believe in robbing consumers apart from innovation. Now coming up to the specs, the performance. This time we have introduced A14 Bionic chip. We have just renamed A13 Bionic chip into A14 Bionic chip. And still it will run faster than A13 Bionic chip. You know why? Because we as an Apple, we believe in slowing down older phones. So we will just slow down your iPhone 11 which contains A13 Bionic chip. Now all of you are complaining about slow charging speeds on iPhone. We as an Apple, we have listened to you. Just kidding, we don't listen to you, we just don't care about it. Yeah, so we have just removed our charging port. And for that, you have to buy our new super fast wireless charger of 7 watts. And it's because of our new ThunderCharge technology 0.0.
Sir, OnePlus has already announced its 30-watt wireless charging.
Okay, we are Apple and you have to trust us. Believe me, it's super fast. Now coming up to the software. This time we have introduced iOS 14. First time ever in iPhone history. This time we have created major changes in terms of wallpaper and icon. And yeah, you will still get that useless apps that nobody use as we are doing in the past. Talking about the display. This time we have created the most advanced display created on any smartphone, which is LCD Super Ultra HD Retina XDR display. Okay, let's break it down. It's the same display that you have been seeing past 10 years. Nothing new in that. And with this we are introducing our two new fresh colors, which is strawberry red and blue blueberries. Okay, we could have named it red and blue. But no, we are Apple and we have to charge $100 extra for these two fresh colors. So we have named it strawberry red and blue blueberries. Okay, it might sound you confusing, but yeah. We are Apple and you have to trust us. Now the most important thing, that is the pricing. The pricing of this device would be very minimal, so that every consumer can afford that. So the price of this device in India would be 1,99,000 only. So don't worry if you pre-book this device, so you can get that 1,98,900 only. And that's 100 rupees off, because we as an Apple, we never give our products at discount. And 100 rupees, that's a bang for buck. So grab a deal and get this iPhone 12. So if you pre-book iPhone 12 in advance, you will get a free iPad. Yeah, I was also shocked, but we are Apple and don't dream of getting free products. So iPhone 12 is releasing next year and hope you get richer by that time. But yeah, iPhone 12 can be pre-booked and you can pre-book it today to get all the Apple benefits.